So here's my ring alarm sensor. How do I get out of the house without it chirping or without turning the alarm off? I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up on your ring alarm. So if you've watched any of my ring alarm videos, you know that I like my system. I like the way that it works. I like its consistency and its features. Even some of them took us a little while to really get to trust them. This was one of them because we just didn't want to accidentally set the alarm off. But even with our alarm set with a chirp system that you just heard, we also can set up the quick exit feature with these, so you can push the button and get out of the house without a problem. So here I'm going to walk you through the setup inside the app, and this is how you turn on this feature for anything that you have a sensor set up on. So it can be a door or a window, but there's really no need to do this with your windows. So in the app, you're going to open the device that you want to set up. So you're going to go under the alarm, and then you're going to open the particular door or window. And then there are a couple things you can do with these. So one of them is you can set the alarm to arm while open. So this is where you wouldn't have to override the system. The other one that we're looking at today is this quick exit feature. So I'm going to click on the quick exit and then set it up so that this particular sensor will work as a quick exit. And that's going to allow me to be able to do this, to be able to open the door without setting the alarm off, without disarming the alarm. So now my alarm is armed to home and armed. And in order to exit, I'm just going to hit this little button. This is set up as a quick exit door. And so I'm going to hit the button here. And when I do, it's going to flash green, giving me the OK to open it. Now you'll notice two things. One, the chirp did not happen. Two, the alarm did not start to ding because I'd opened a door. And so it's that simple. Once you close the door, then it is rearmed, and if someone else opens it, it will start the alarm setting off process in motion. So say if you need to leave and everybody else is still in bed, you can do this. It stays armed, and this door is also armed once you close it again. So it's that simple. Again, just a few steps there in the app, and you've got your sensor set up. These things just make your whole alarm system more useful. And when you get comfortable doing this, you might try it out a couple times on your own to get so that you know you're not going to set your alarm off. But once you get comfortable with it, I think you'll like this feature of your Ring alarm system. So thanks for watching.